Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about on best cloud-based VDRs for HR and employee records. Number of advantages over traditional on-premises VDRs, including cost saving. Cloud-based VDRs are typically more cost-effective than on-premises VDRs. This because organizations do not need to invest in and maintain their own hardware and software. Scalability. Cloud-based VDRs are scalable, meaning that they can be easily scalable, scaled up or down to meet the needs of the organization. This is important for organizations that experience full fluctuation in their data storage needs. Then security. Cloud-based VDRs use the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. This is important for protecting the confidential information of employees. Compliance. Cloud-based VDRs can help organizations to comply with industry regulations such as General Data Protection Regulation. Best cloud-based VDRs for HR and employee records. Here are some of the best cloud-based VDRs for HR and employee records, such as Interlinks, Secure Docs, DataSites, Ideals, Dealroom. These cloud-based VDRs offer a variety of features that are important for HR and employee records, such as security features as encryption, access control, and audit trails. Compliance features such as data retention, detention policies. Then collaboration features such as document sharing, commenting, and discussion thread. Then essay of use. Then the specific industry-specific features such as ability to manage and share employee records. How to choose a cloud-based VDR for HR and employee records. When choosing a cloud-based VDR for HR and employee records, there are a few things you should consider. Security. Make sure that the cloud-based VDR you choose uses the latest security technologies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access and theft. Then compliance. Make sure that the cloud-based VDR you choose can help to comply with all the applicable industry regulations. Then collaboration features. Consider the collaboration features that are important to you. For example, some cloud-based VDR offer features such as document sharing, commenting, and discussion thread. As of use, choose a cloud-based VDR for that is easy to use even for user with no prior experience with VDRs. Then pricing. Cloud-based VDRs can be vary in price. Choose the cloud-based VDR that fits your budget. And last conclusions. Cloud-based VDRs can be a valuable tool for HR professionals. By using cloud-based VDRs, HR professionals can improve the security and efficiency of HR processes, collaborate with other HR professionals, and manage employee self-services. If you are an HR professional, I encourage you to consider using a cloud-based VDR. The cloud-based VDRs listed above offer a variety of features that can be beneficial for HR professionals. That's all everyone. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.